Hello everyone and welcome to this Artlist.io review. This review will be guiding you through everything you need to know before signing up for Artlist.io. Artlist.io is a popular subscription-based music licensing platform for video creators. We'll explore its key features, delve into its pricing structure, and weigh in on the advantages and disadvantages. This will help you decide if Artlist is the right music solution for your projects. And by the way, we have the link to Artlist.io in the description so you can get a head start on your journey. And now starting with the features, Artlist.io offers a comprehensive library of high-quality, royalty-free music and sound effects. The key features include an extensive music library, sound effects library, unlimited use license, curated collections, and these curated collections are music and sound effects that are organized into thematic collections and genres, thus making it easy to discover the perfect track. Then you also have search and filtering tools, and this is a robust search functionality that helps you filter for mood, genre, tempo, instrument, and many more. Then you have integration with video editing software. These integrations will help to contribute to a seamless workflow. You also have new music added daily. The library is constantly updated with fresh tracks and sound effects. Now, when it comes to the pricing, Artlist primarily operates on a subscription model. You have the music and SFX plan, and this is really designed for media content creators. Then you have the AI voiceover starting at $11.99 per month. This is specifically for AI generation with a certain amount of voiceover time included. Then you have the AI suite starting at $29.99 per month. It includes AI image, video, voiceover tools with a monthly credit system. Then you have the footage and templates plan, and this starts at $31.99 per month. It does provide an access to stock footage of up to 8K and video templates and lots. Then lastly, you have the Artlist Max, and this is starting at $39.99 per month. This all-in-one plan includes music, sound effect, AI voiceovers, footage, video templates, lots, and plugins. It's basically the everything plan. Now, when it comes to our recommendation, the Artlist Max offers everything, and if you're the type of person who wants everything, then the Artlist Max will definitely be a great buy. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, starting with the pros, you have high quality music. The licensing strips away the complexities of traditional royalty-free music licensing and simplifies the process. You have unlimited use, ease of use, and regular updates. On the flip side, with the cons, the subscription model-based pricing might not be ideal for users who only need music or sound effects occasionally. Then you have no ownership. You don't own the music and you only have the license to use it as long as the subscription is active. There is also the concern of the potential of being overwhelmed. The sheer size of the library might be overwhelming for some users initially. However, if you love that, this is not a con for you. In conclusion, Artlist.io stands out as a valuable resource for video creators seeking high-quality, royalty-free music and sound effect with a straightforward and comprehensive license. Its unlimited use policy and curated library make it an attractive option for professionals and hobbyists alike who consistently need audio assets for their projects. However, the subscription model might not suit every pocket. Ultimately, the value of Artlist depends on your individual needs and the frequency with which you require licensed music and sound effects. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get started with Artlist, and if you found this helpful, do let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.